Yes. Kung kahamja to no, kini hene hai na lai dumani kaisa kotor goselai mo sini bubagrani na harmong tongmani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye narok samani khana sini ti prasa skill gana nurses GNM ANM rogno Japan ni mani kok phrungi Japanese language phrungi Japano samung tangrani bagi rohornani kaham manmarini bagi kaham ajimuni bagi rohornani kok samani tini chung supunglenin phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajoy Kumar Shahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited borobini sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai kharoksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John marok khanainin tongo borok chana belai chubakha samuni bagai tai Bengaluru tongai sini takuk Dinesh bogo chana belai chubakha borok no hambai eke chini o nahar mungkin orang tu saya no jeng Japano hospitality ni bagai chini orang zara GNM ANM pass out angzag no BSc nursing overall no sengtaho ring nai through Navy's ni passing te chini orang pan apply kaimano borok Navy's pan apply kaimano jeng BCO maximum hospitality wo 3 jona chini sare rogno chung Japan rohana ni target na borogno chung ADC hapang ni phasing ti kheye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borogno jara registration na musnai jara serna musnai Japanese language te baire wo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ini musunai rokno borok candidate rang 10,000 khai baro registration mark haine tei kaise additional 50,000 borok puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate na nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abone kisarika tabo candidate rok 60,000 rinai chunga ADC 50,000 rinai. Okay, total borok ni 3.5 mane sara 3 lakh taka total boni course everything registration course fees rati sara 3 lakh taka nangnai sara 3 lakh taka nangta ba rina nangya candidate simino 60 lakh ma rinai ADC 60,000 ADC 50,000 total बाद बाकी बोली जे रंग रथाई तोंगमानी जे नेविस न जे रंग रथाई तोंगमानी 2,40,000 borok saka nono chung Japano Germany o Korea o sakri rimani pore teruk nini beton ini nang tanai riman nai ake obo nongkha sini tini ni o agreement do jara thangna muchonai kabang man chinoro nurse ni sakri sani phainai tongbayo GNM ANM tai ni o BSc nursing rok jara khaijak rok kabang opportunity tabo Patara hasteo tangi at least testing chini ta khuk saka 1.1 ni beton ni chimi 3.5 lakh beton nong ni khorsa ni per month aba hai abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni naro jara registration khane borok ni nang je ban bagi outstanding payment tongmani abo remaining borok ake khairi Kecini nahar mungkin ketakut buku sengaja government job to limited. Kabang macam ni tiada syarat tabu. Kabang zagon Kolkata, Bengaluru, Chennai, apa heroko nursing complete kain nogo. Kabang masuk jago tongo. Serengi tongai botongo. Khatara samutang tongai ro botongo. Kenor ni bagi ceng ane bubagra. Ketal kaisa nang mani history kaisa opportunity normal rilikan jara mucuk nai daki phai chung bai karangdi borok daki no interview na nai best dara mochuk nai best karang pugrok no jeng phataro rohornani bagai chatiok nai abani loge loge jeng phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hinge construction worker o building namnani amhai samung obahairok no jeng samung skill khai phataro samung tangnani bagai rohornani bo jeng chatiok nai obong khachini naharmong sini edisi hafang sini Tripura sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung boroni manthai khati thaina khobui samung tanglai tongmani jeng choya hamkrani samung tang tongmani jeng choya bobagrani naikol mungbai jeng hor sal thuya ke nowan solai samung tanglai tong takute bukuk jong obon khachini thangsani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini edisi hafang jeng tabusu ratei lama kahamti himai beti prasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke jeng rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmong tubui mano lukorok ajimano abo nahar mungbai jeng samung tanglai tong ketabok norok sungi mane chini Ajoy Kumar Sahani ji bo angka nevis ani manager sourcing the administration of ban thani nevis ni nahar mung tabung khaitong besuk bisiromi khaitong bopron kimi tlangjak nai omotiro bon thani nok sini man hambai jara thangnama chonai Japano through Nevis ni bisinte interview rewoi test rewoi borok thangnama chonai borok ni bagai chung daki no potrika rom bisinte chini website ni bisinte chung advertisement nai ke borona tabo tashin chini odai shaka tashingo actually Japan ni kisu culture borok ni ongko tongo bosker borok ni byabohar borok ni tongmung chamung tongo actually a jaga ro borok bokrok tola khai khulumung bukok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang ma metar tongo Japan samung tangna nei ke kok sangke sana ne aro chiriklai kok saya amti hero joton bhalung tangna aran borno phai phane Japan ni borok no aba hikes jara saniman nai borok no borok sile khana even tlangani sigang je tlangani phurman bumau pha soi kang ga kai bumau pha itablin jara thanan bagai fit nin bumap garden bumau pha sudo soi choka e aprusi borok tlang nai ke puilan chimini jara thangna mo changani ba phataro sudo Japania Germany amthon ni Korea amthon borok ar language sudo Japani ar language phurne borok thangnai eke puilan chimini prepare angi phenel bagai abhai te daki start khajani chung advertisement khage kan through boron khage chung interview ba screening process khaye daki roharan bagi satyap nai hambai
thank you respective dignitaries of TTAADC and my name is Ajay and I'm general manager for Northeastern region and today it's a privilege for Nevis HR because on behalf of Nevis HR I'm representative entire Northeastern region and today we have signed an agreement and MOU with TTADAC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Wherein Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTADC areas. And we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad, and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with TTADEC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADEC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MUO will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead, and definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTADEC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.
Jono target chung trejona na rohanan sia tokme
every year.
Pratek bishwata.
Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having a conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now, we already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
También era